with the start of the Pro Motocross series coming right up in 10 days in Pala, we also have some super exciting news, at least I consider it is. Comment down below, you tell me if you think the same way, and that is that the Coenen brothers, Coenen, I don't know how you want to, whatever it is, their last name, have announced that they will be doing select rounds this year totaling 3. Now, these are going to be the Thunder Valley National on June 30th, which would split the Grand Prix of Latvia and Italy. The Southwick National, July 11th, which comes between the Grand Prix in South Africa and Great Britain, and the Ironman National on August 29th, coming between the Dutch and Turkish round of their MXGP and MX2 commitments already. Now, obviously, this is subject to change, right? If something happens, if one of them gets injured, or who knows, there could be changes to this. Knock on wood that this doesn't happen. Knock on wood, that doesn't happen, that neither of them get injured, and that they can come over and we'll see them racing the best that we have. And hopefully, obviously, there's been the rumor for a while that they're going to follow the Vial and Prado way of things and come over and race Supercross and Motocross over here. Now, who knows if that's true or this is just a feeler test and see where they like it, but it's at least interesting. And you gotta say, these two are incredible talents. At the moment, Sasha Coenen, again, sorry, last name butchering, I get it, is second place overall in the MX2 category, where Lucas Coenen, again, sorry, is number 1 running the red plate in the MXGP category. So these two are top of the top, creme de la creme, whatever you want to say, of their respective fields, and it's going to be interesting, right? Coming, it's round 3, 5, and 11, I believe, of the series, or Pro Motocross series. So they're going to come pretty on early, 3rd and 5th rounds, where you'd assume most people are still hopefully healthy, and you'd have most of the full pack. And then the 11th round, hopefully, again, everyone's healthy, and as I like to see it as a fan, I want everybody racing all the time. But you get 2 of these guys, right? They are race winners, championship contenders. They're going to be people that should come over here, and yes, these are tracks that they've probably never ridden before in their life, but they could come over here and play kind of point spoilers. You know, they're wild cards. Them coming here, obviously they don't want to get injured, so they're probably not going to push super hard to, race for wins when it doesn't really matter all that much to them. But if they get good starts and they're running, up front and competitive, they're racers. They're going to want to finish well. They're not going to sit there and say, oh, I got a 3rd place, almost whole shot, or I started off well, but I'm not in this series. I just slowed down and let everybody pass. No, they're still going to want to be competitive. They're going to want to show that, hey, we're better than you guys, and we're coming over here for, a select random amount of rounds, and we can still come out and win. This is going to be exciting. If they come out and steal a podium or steal a win or whatever from somebody who's in the title fight, well, it can shake things up, and you'd have to expect that they are going to be competitive. These are top guys in the motocross racing field, in MXGP and MX2. This is the series that they can come over and be kind of at home with, right? They're not gonna come over and jump into Supercross randomly and be competitive. We've seen that with Prado, and it takes some time to learn, but outdoor racing is outdoor racing, right? You have to know the track, and I'm assuming, I don't know how long they have in gaps between, the Pro Motocross race that they're going to be doing and the gaps between the 2 rounds that they're going to be splitting for the MXGP title or MXGP calendar. But if they can come over, test a little bit, see where they fall, or see how they like these tracks, they could be competitive. They could be spoilers, and who knows? I mean, like I said, there has been the rumor that they plan on coming over here, so this could be a nice little tester for maybe next year, 2 years from now. Who knows? We do have some quotes from Lucas himself, or Lucas first, saying, quote, "It's official. We're aiming for 3 rounds of the AMA Outdoor Series. It's a dream to be able to do this while still focusing on our season. Really looking forward to it. We'll try to enjoy it as much as possible, and it'll be a crazy experience. I'm also looking forward to meeting lots of fans. Super pumped." And from Sasha saying, quote, "I'm really excited to do these races in the US this year. Since we were kids, we were watching the races there, so it'll be awesome to go over and try the tracks. I'm really thankful to KTM and all the people that made it happen. See you there." Now, Ian Harrison, the Red Bull KTM factory team manager, at least on this side of the pond, says, quote, "The Red Bull KTM factory racing team will be a little bigger this year at Thunder Valley, with Sasha and Lucas joining us for this event. With a short break in the MXGP calendar, they're excited for the opportunity to race at altitude and in the USA. I had the chance to watch both of them compete in the Motocross of Nations last year, where they showed exceptional skill and speed. We're looking forward to welcoming them and seeing them compete in the AMA Pro Motocross Championship." Now, obviously, they're going to be racing the KTMs. They'll be joining Prado, and we'll have a little bit of a European, little three-person European team racing against everybody over here. I'm excited, right? This is only good. These are obviously top talent people. If they can come over here and show, speed on tracks that they've never raced, I mean, they probably watched some, and like I said, practice for them is going to be super important. But if they can come over here and run in the top 5, run in podiums, play some point spoilers for the people in the championship, it's going to be exciting. And who knows, if it is, a year or 2 or something, maybe they decide they do want to come over here and follow the steps of Prado or, Roxon technically, he's been here for longer, but start racing Supercross, race the Pro Motocross Series. It's only going to be good because these are, again, top guys. These aren't bottom of the barrel. We're just coming over here to see if we can make some money. These should be top level podium championship win contenders every single race. And I'm excited for this. But this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you going to any of those 3 rounds? If they do end up making all 3, how well do you think they're going to do? Who do you think is going to win round 1 in Paula? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.